It's white to play and win. And this is an interesting puzzle because if you don't find the winning move, then you're going to lose. So think carefully. And this is actually Josef Kling. I've been going through quite a few of his puzzles, and he's been having a lot of these shorter solutions, but very satisfying. And this one is no exception. I think you're going to really appreciate this when you see the solution. So good luck. White to play and win. All right, well, if you had a chance to look at that, the reason that I said you have to find the winning move, otherwise you're going to lose, is because if you just played some random move, like let's just say you decide to move your rook over here, thinking that you could maybe go here next move and try to checkmate the king, well, you actually get checkmated first because of this threat here with the queen. And if you tried to stop this checkmate, maybe by bringing your rook over, let's just say, so that you could block, the problem is you're losing your other rook. Black's just going to simply take it. And if you remember, a queen and a king against a king and a rook is going to be a win for the queen. Now, it's very difficult, and it's not an easy win, and we're not going to get into that in this video, but it is a win for black. So that's kind of the problem that you have here in this position, is that your rook is under attack, but you're also about to get checkmated. And it seems like there's no really good way to stop both of these threats, but actually that gives you the clue to the puzzle. Rook to a4 is the winning move. You block the checkmate, you save the rook. And some of you are thinking, but Nelson, you're just losing the rook, so you're not really saving the rook. Why is that the winning move? Well, you guys tell me, why is this the winning move? If you had a chance to look at that, hopefully you found the solution. After the queen takes the rook, you go rook to h3 check, and notice because the kings are in opposition here, black can't move forward, obviously can't stay here. They have to walk in line with the rook, and the queen is going to get skewered. It doesn't really matter where the king goes. You go check, and you take the queen, and now you win in this endgame. Fascinating idea, right? But wait a second. You say, well, what if black is smart enough to see what we're trying to do and they don't take the rook? That's a good question. And the first thing you have to understand is that if they just make any random move with their queen, like let's just say here, you're going to play rook h3. And again, we see this idea of because the kings are in opposition here, the black king is actually in trouble, right? You have this rook coming across this way, this one at the top. And the only thing black can do now is give up the queen. Obviously not what they want to do. But there is another move that black has here, queen to c8, where they actually take that threat away from us and again renew the checkmate. What do you think the winning move is in this position now for white? If you had a chance to look at that, the move is actually just rook h3 anyway. Because yes, they took it away, but they didn't really take it away. Why? Because as soon as they take the rook, and by the way, they have to take the rook because of the king. Look at this. It has no other moves. But after they take the rook, again, we have a skewer where we win the queen. So this is fascinating when you think about it. You sacrifice the rook to set up the skewer going across the board this way. And then if they play queen c8, you sacrifice the other rook to set up the skewer going the other way. I mean, that's pretty clever, and you got to appreciate that. At least I did. So short puzzle, really not that difficult, although the first move probably was pretty shocking to find, rook to a4. But congratulations if you found it. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this one. I know I did, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.